Okay, Bichita Watchman, had a lunch. I'm going in and see all this music and noise, what it's all about. Okay, let's see what's going on here.